Hello folks, so today we're at Taste of Jamaica. Yeah, we're gonna check out the Jamaican food scene right here on Bayshore in Port St. Lucie. Come with us now, Taste of Jamaica. I can show you what they're tasting like. Let's go. So if you're heading south on Bayshore just past Prima Vista, you will see a Jamaican flag flying brilliantly in the breeze. This is Taste of Jamaica. It is a small, quaint Jamaican restaurant that offers breakfast, lunch, and a wide variety of Jamaican snacks and soft drinks. Now in Port St. Lucie, there's not many really good Jamaican restaurants. And so it is my duty as a responsible Jamaican in the community to search them out and find the ones that have good food. I see patties, I see cocoa bread, I see Jamaican breakfast. We were there at breakfast time, so this is what they had to offer, Jamaican breakfast. And I promise you guys, we said we have to try it. So here is our review of Taste of Jamaica. And I'm being brutally honest, guys. This is our honest review. So everything we say here is what we really mean. Let's get into it.
All right, so the porridge is a peanut porridge, and I'm a porridge person, kind of, sort of. So let's see how this peanut porridge tastes.
What's it giving?
Let's see if the porridge is porridging.
Yeah, with the loud laugh, and I mean, she know me don't like the laugh, you know. Sure, we're gonna stop it.
It tastes good, nah lie. The smoothness and the texture is 100%. I hate a lumpy porridge. This is nice and smooth.
Let me taste it.
Very flavorful. Let me taste some like almond spice or something.
It tastes good. It tastes real good.
So the porridge there. The porridge is really good. I would give it a 8.5 out of 10. It's pretty good. Just that it could be a tad bit less sweet. Yeah, so
yeah,
that's my opinion.
I would say that too. But it's really good. You get the peanut vibes. It's smooth. It have all of the spices in it. Yeah, that porridge, it's shell. Yeah, man.
Shell long yard and fire. All right, let's see which one this is. This is hubby's food. This is the ackee and saltfish. Yeah, a good amount of ackee and saltfish in the box. I think I low-key have a problem with only getting 3 pieces of food. But overall, I think this is a decent amount of food for breakfast. And then this is mine, which is the liver and the saltfish and okra combination. And I took a banana, yam, and 1 dumpling.
So here is the fried dumpling. These are yours, right?
Yes.
That one here look like titty. All this. That's the fried dumpling right there. So good size. The fried dumpling, the size not bad. And 1 fritters and
This
one
look like this is not the typical size. This looks like a defective one.
Oh.
So the regular. Oh, that's big though.
A 1 fritters with the buy?
Yeah, 1.
So the fritters here. I think I have 2 fritters.
Oh no.
Alright, make a try. Alright, so
I'm a big saltfish, man.
normally fritters greasy, but it don't really feel that greasy.
Big old piece of fritters.
Big old piece of fritters.
Saltfish.
It's okay.
Yeah. Alright, this is good, I reckon.
Fritters not bad.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, and it's not overly salty.
I'm gonna get a hint. There's a hint of spice.
Not getting no more of my fritters.
Taste the seasonings.
Yeah, it's not overly salty, it's not overly oily. It's right. It's alright. Fritters win. Win. Remember my child.
Fried dumpling and porridge nice together. So, since I'm gonna drink a little bit more of the porridge now, might as well try the dumpling.
Porridge tastes good. The porridge tastes good. It's very ostentatious and superficial.
Love this. Very fluffy, airy, light, not salty. Love it.
Flufficacious, remember. Fluffy Lord.
This is my food like I showed you guys earlier. So I started tasting the food and I realized that this meat that I ordered was sold to me as liver.
That's not liver, that's a kidney.
Yes, sir. I'm not sure.
Kidney.
Yeah, it's not liver, it's kidney. Yeah, so if I didn't eat kidney, this would have been an issue for me. But I do eat kidney. Not a big fan, but it's not a deal breaker, so I'll just have it. It's good, well seasoned, but a little bit spicy for me.
The thing will get me with my food is a 3 piece of food. Yeah, that's sort of rough.
Yeah.
3 piece of food sort of
Rough in these times.
You know, so me take 2 dumplings and piece of yam. You know, me understand the businesses have to make them money, so we not pressure them. But yeah, it's sort of rough. You know.
Yeah.
So, but overall the taste is good. The ackee tastes good. Yeah, and it's not overly salt. That's one of the things that I really like about this meal.
I was gonna say that about even the okra and the saltfish. They didn't cut corners. How I know? It's not overly salty. So it's not like them rush and boil out the saltfish. They took their time to boil the saltfish properly. But
And obviously them put the okra in at the end.
yes, any real chef will know for not overcook the okra. So I appreciate that. It still has some crunch. But we don't need to offer a non-spicy version.
Because a man chef. Until you find food where overly spicy, a man chef. Guys, me I try bite the dumpling and me I try cut the dumpling, I'm afraid. So here we got now. Me bite that.
You never see. Bite again.
Me not bite it, I'm going to see.
Bite it again.
No. That's bad manners. And them put sweet pepper in them ackee. Not tomato.
Them put sweet pepper in them kidney too.
So
You're
food is
spicy?
good. Yeah, the meat is nice. Like them put a real Scotch bonnet pepper in it. You know? I just like the fact that it's not overly salty. I like the idea that you not cook the food you know, with salt as the main seasoning. Food tastes fresh. Food tastes good like it made this morning.
This is a nice dry piece of yam. Taste your yam. If you get a good piece, it's very nice and dry.
My yam wet.
My mama can taste mine. Since you have a problem.
Come I don't want punch at the box.
Dry?
I'll go back for more yam.
Sell me 2 slices of yam. One of them sell yam on the side.
Overall, guys, taste of Jamaica was very good.
Price point now. Talk about the price point.
Alright, so everything come up to
$40 something, almost $45.
almost $45.
For 2 breakfasts and
2
a couple
breakfasts,
side items.
two fried dumpling, 1 fritters, and the porridge. Fair enough. You understand? I mean, everybody have to make a money.
Overheads up a bit.
Yeah, ackee not cheap. Saltfish not really cheap. You understand?
Okra not really cheap nowadays.
Okra not really cheap. You know, so we really and truly say, yeah, no price is right. It's competitive, it's good. You understand? Taste of Jamaica is conveniently located on Bayshore Boulevard in Port St. Lucie. If you really and truly want some good Jamaican food, and I promise you, them lunch menu is also great. This is the breakfast menu. We're going to try the lunch menu and get back to you with that one day. You understand? But check them out. Port St. Lucie, Taste of Jamaica, right there on Bayshore Boulevard, just below Port St. Lucie West, St. Lucie West Boulevard, Prima Vista, right there. Yeah? You're going to see the Jamaican flag. It's always flying. Big up on yourself. Manners and respect to each and every one.
It's in red. Taste of Jamaica.
Oh, I think you said the flag in red.
No, the sign.
You like your food? You enjoying your food?
Yeah.
Me notice you're not offer me none.
People.
Me don't get none. Me don't get
People.
none. Me no matter what you want.
I don't say. Say me give him some.
She was like mean.
Wanna see him give me none?
Can you
I
use
don't know
to
what Aki tastes like.
You used to this, you know, so. But food tastes good.
Sweet.
Food tastes good. Nah, tell no lie. We're gonna enjoy our meal and get back to yeah. Big up on the set. Yardie Belly TV. We're in, we're out, we're all around. Remember me tell you that sound good now.
But you not say how much out of 10?
Oh, the Aki 8.5 out of 10. The rest of it with the food, me give PR food another 8 out of 10. May I tell you why? Only thing me have a problem with that, more food in the box. But the seasoning wise it was good. The we never get the liver, we got kidney, But I believe it's the same type of seasoning would have happened with the two things. So yeah, I think the food was overall very, very good, and me give them full endorsement, don't it? Yeah, breakfast. Get some Jamaican breakfast in a Port St. Lucie. Run over there and get it. Remember me tell you.